Today was your first big journey of discovery through Simpsons Park in Sherwood. It was a lesson in road rules, meetings with local wildlife, and a flashback to a bygone era when the original inhabitants caught fish in the river and foraged for food on its banks.
Where is he?
Firstly, a lesson on road rules.
Okay, get off. Then you have to push the bike across the road. Because the sign said so. Didn't you read the sign? Come back and have a look. Come back up here. Quick. See that?
What does this count?
Well, you read it.
I already read it.
Well, why didn't you get off them?
Because I don't know what discount.
Oh, dismount. Dismount means to get off. Okay, off you go. Now, have a good look. Right, look to the right, look to the left. Remember the road rules. Is there anything coming? No, nothing the other way. Okay, off you go. Whenever you see somebody, do you know what a pedestrian is? What? A walker. So you have to give way to the walkers. Okay, off you go.
Watch out!
In between dodging pedestrians, you had your first encounter with the local wildlife.
What have you got?
A stick insect. He's only got one leg. Wait. Is it gonna grow back, Daddy?
Oh, sometimes they do, yeah.
Oh.
What are you going to do with him now? Maybe put him over there so he'll be safe from the cars and stuff.
Yeah, but... Okay.
Nice, he'll be alright, won't he?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're going to get back onto the bike now?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
Daddy, there was a magpie over there. It just flew up in that tree, and I went near it really close, and it just didn't fly away.
Indeed, the whole journey was fraught with distractions, such as these memories of your very, very early childhood.
Cool! I love that! I love that! Cool! Whoa, they're tiny things. Can you do it for me?
Okay, what's this, Rene? Look, it's a canoe. And look, what's that?
What?
That.
That's a live crab. This one is a bag of fish. This one's a fish.
What is it?
A fish. And there's another fish. There's a crab. And that one is, I don't know.
What's this tree behind us?
A bunya nut tree.
What?
A bunya nut tree.
It's the bunya nut season. Can you see any bunya nuts on the ground yet? Here's one here. Look at this one.
The local Aborigines had supplemented their fish diet with bunya nuts during the brief season between February and March. However, this year's season had been meagre and premature. So we set off to Toowong Cemetery to check out the situation there. Toowong Cemetery was our favourite bunya nut hunting ground and had yielded up many rich pickings in the past. But
Looks like some of the birds and animals are beating us to it, doesn't it? Look at that one. That one's been well and truly gnawed.
the pickings were certainly lean. In the old days, the season would have barely even started, and now it was finished. Global warming has accelerated crop production all over the world. These beautiful trees have been bearing bunya nuts on a regular basis for well over 100 years, but now it looks as though their cycle has been disrupted. Something for you to think about in the years to come.